Dora the Explorer. Dora's Showtime. Welcome to Fiesta Theater. Grab a chair. It is showtime. Our first star loves his shiny boots and shaking his maracas. There he is. Show them how you shake to the beat, Boots. Good job. Next out are three friends. They play together wherever they go. Do you know who they are? Give a whistle for the Fiesta Trio. They are here to play a cha-cha. They love to play their tunes, come rain or shine. Next up is, stop the show. Where is our next star? Shh, I think I hear him. Chugga chugga choo choo. Do you know who it is? That's right. It is Azul with his shiny new whistle. Woo-hoo! Time for the next act. When he is not at the farm, he likes to thump his drum and shout a song. Check out Benny, the bongo bull. Show them how it's done, Benny. And for our grand finish, we have a special treat. The big red chicken will teach us how to do his catchy chicken dance. Come on, shake a tail feather and bark out loud. Thanks for coming to our show. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.